What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today is going to be another luxury for less video, or should I call it fabulous finds? Fabulous finds video. I don't know what I'm going to call it. I'll decide when I make the video. But anyway, this is another video where I show you a dupe of a more luxury product or more luxury item. So a lot of people really like Louis Vuitton, and everybody is looking to get their toiletry bag to go in their luggage. So here is a bag that looks very similar to it. Has pretty much a very similar pattern. It has the gold detail. It even has the red lining, as you can see. So there is a zipper here, and then on this side there are two pockets on the inside. As you can see, I do have some makeup items in here, but there's still a lot of room to spare. So this is a very roomy bag for makeup items, for toiletry items, for whatever you want to carry in it. So yeah, found this on Amazon as well. It will be linked below. This particular bag did come with a smaller bag too. So this one can be used for, you know, a little coin purse. It can be used for feminine hygiene items inside your bigger bag if you wanted to. It also has the red lining. It has a nice zipper on it. This zipper is brown where this one is gold, but it has a nice zipper on it. I'm not having any problem with the zipper. It has a nice pulley or wristlet on it, so you can just carry it, you know, one day when you're going out shopping, if you want to just put your ID, credit cards and things like that in it. But it's very nice. You get two bags, different sizes, for a fraction of the cost that you would get the real Louis Vuitton for. Now, if you're someone who only likes real and you only want to carry luxury, then this is not for you. If you are someone who is trying to watch your budget, but you like the look of the bag, you like the pattern of the Louis Vuitton bag, and you like the roominess of it, then this is an option. I want to let you know that it's not real leather. It is a textured, you know, material. So I don't want you to think that you're getting real leather or anything like that. But it definitely, I think, is worth the price for it, to give you the space and the room that you want in your luggage or for your makeup bag or whatever. So unless somebody is really, like I said, a connoisseur of Louis Vuitton, they may not know the difference if you pull this out of your luggage when you're on a girl's trip, or if you pull out the real thing. They're probably not going to know that much of a difference unless they're really up on it, feeling it and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, guys, that is it. That's what I wanted to show you this time in our Luxury for Less series. So if you're enjoying this series, let me know in the comments section below. Also, let me know what name you like. Do you like Luxury for Less? Do you like Fabulous Finds? Help me out in what I want to call, where I go and find dupes of luxury brand products. And these things are not saying that they're Louis Vuitton. They're not saying that they're Burberry. They're not saying that they're anything like that. They are just giving you a similar pattern for less cost. So these are not anything that you have to be worried about that are knockoffs, or, you know, saying that they're Louis Vuitton when they're not Louis Vuitton. So anyway, that is it for this video. These products will be linked in the description box below. If you're interested, make sure you click that link. Also, guys, again, if this is something that you're interested in and you're enjoying these videos, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to let me know how much you want to see more. And also share these videos with someone you think may benefit from them. And yeah, guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell as well as the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.